Let's start our learning model with this short video about ozone hole changes in southern and northern hemisphere. Here, the purple and blue colors are where there is less ozone. Yellows and reds are where there is more ozone. The video shows that we can have a larger ozone hole in the springtime of South Polar. But why? Why the ozone hole always occurs in the Antarctic springtime? Here is the term polar stratospheric clouds, short for PSCS. It's a ice-like cloud formed in the lower parts of stratosphere when temperature is below -78°C. In the wintertime, when temperature is lower than -78°C, polar stratospheric clouds formed. An homogeneous reaction on the polar stratospheric clouds converts calorie reservoir species to calorie. Then large NAT particle can segment out and removes nitric acid from stratosphere. Then in the southern springtime, sunlight returns and temperature warms up. Coloring accumulated from the polar stratospheric clouds can now photolyze. Because polar stratospheric clouds removed nitric acid, there is not enough NOx to remove CO. In this case, a new ozone loss circle here becomes dominant. And that's why ozone hole always occur in the Antarctic springtime. Here the study shows the size of air cooler than -78°C in the northern and southern hemisphere. We can see the size of air cooler than -78°C in northern hemisphere is 15 million square kilometer, and in the southern hemisphere is 25 million square kilometer. Compared with the Antarctic, size of air cooler than -78°C in the Arctic is much smaller. The ozone depletion in the north, in this case, is smaller than what is happening in the south. But we should ask, will a new ozone hole occur in the Arctic in the future? Here is the Arctic ozone hole changes from 1979 to 2050. Unfortunately, we can see that the ozone hole in the Arctic is getting larger. And the study also shows that Arctic is getting cooler in the recent decades from the size of air cooler than -78°C. Some scholars claim that it is because greenhouse gases cooler the stratosphere, and they also concern that this would worsen Arctic ozone depletion.